What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is AJ and you're watching the B-Review channel. Today we are working on the E46 M3. We're installing a B&B exhaust on it. You don't want to miss out, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, I want to go ahead and thank you personally for making your way here. You could have gone to many different places to watch your E46 M3 content, your BMW content, but you decided to come here, and I want to thank you personally for that. So while I've got you here, could you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? And if you actually make it to the end of the video, consider hitting that like button so that my videos trend well for these topics. Now, without further ado, let's get on to the point of today's video, the whole reason you clicked on today's video, the E46 M3. We picked up a B&B exhaust. You guys definitely know I didn't pay full price for it. I picked it up on Facebook Market for the grand total of $100. Yeah, that's right, I picked it for $100. These things normally go for $500 to $800 used and about $1,200 brand new. So we got it's a little banged up. We're gonna get it cleaned up a little bit. I may polish it a little bit. We're gonna get it on the car and see how the car sounds. Alright guys, so here we have it, my $100 B&B exhaust. Now I am aware this is the first generation with the oval tips versus the more rounded version 2, and I'm okay with that. And quite honestly, I do love this classic look. The oval design is something you really don't see as often anymore. It was very popular in the early 2000s, but I digress. I'm happy with it nonetheless because, again, it was $100, and who's going to complain about a $100 exhaust? That's more exhaust than I had before. Now, as we take a closer look at the exhaust, we can see that it has seen better days. This being a version 1, it's seen its fair share of debris and tarnish. You name it's probably been thrown at this, and I've actually seen a few repair jobs done in a couple of areas, but again, this was a $100 exhaust, so I'm not complaining. Also, if you could, make comments down below about the current video and audio quality. I've been getting a lot of feedback. I've been reading a lot of feedback over the years, everybody expressing how much they would love me to have better audio or crisper video. Well, I have recently begun to invest in YouTube, invest in a new camera. I'm currently running on an older A7 with a shotgun mic pointed at my face, so let me know how the audio and the video looks going forward from this point forward, because we will be using a full frame camera. So off that topic, let's get the car backed up in the position that we need it so we can get the OEM exhaust off and get this bad boy on. Alright, so now that I got the car up on these awesome Rhino Ramps, if you guys haven't picked a set of these up, they're a huge lifesaver, huge time saver. I picked these up for about 40 bucks, and they have gotten me out of a pickle a couple times over, because sometimes you just need to get the car up quick, and this does the trick. So we're going to get under here. Unfortunately, I had to leave the car on for a little while. I don't like to move the car before it warms up a little bit more, but now the exhaust is going to be a little bit warm, but that'll probably be fine because it's cold out today. It's about 49 degrees, 48 degrees, and probably the exhaust is going to keep you warm right now. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and drop the exhaust down to the ground and go ahead and get the new exhaust put on there. All right, so what we have to do here is Get these bolts off here, slide those off, and I believe there's a couple hangers, one there, one over there. Alright guys, so what we have here is a 13 mil. I'm using a 1/2 inch because that's all I could find at this particular moment. It's fine, it'll work fine. Use an extension because there's some bolts that are up here at the top. It's hard to see here and on the opposite side of this mount here. This is what needs to come off so that the muffler can come down to the ground. It's the same exact thing on the opposite side of there. So let's get this thing off of here finally. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm noticing here is the size difference. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but this box here seems at least twice the size of the box on the new exhaust. Not to mention the weight savings. This has to be a good 20 pounds heavier than the B&B exhaust. So we're definitely going to see some weight savings, maybe a little bit added acceleration from the weight savings themselves. So what we're doing now is we're going to be transferring these over to the new exhaust, those two over there as well to the new exhaust. And we're, like I said before, we're just going to reuse these mounts here. Alright, so it looks like I got all the bolts onto the new exhaust. The last thing you need to do is do a cold start comparison from earlier this morning and see how she sounds. Let's do it. guys, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys liked today's video. As you can see, we put the B&B exhaust on the car, and I couldn't be happier with the results. I've literally done nothing else to the car. There are no catless headers on there. There's no section 2. It's literally just a section 3, a back box on the E46, and we're getting that kind of sound out of it. It really is a testament to the amount of R&D that goes into a lot of these exhausts. It really does make a huge difference when you spend a little bit of money. Now, of course, in my case, I got it for a really good price, but it does really help to buy an exhaust that has a little bit of R&D behind it. The tri-chamber exhaust from B&B is definitely my #1 pick for the E46 M3 if you don't want to do anything else to your exhaust. I could literally leave the car in this exact state and I'd be 100% happy with the results. Anyway, guys, I really want to thank you guys for watching the B&B channel, guys. If you guys came here for E46 content, make sure you guys stick around. Go down in the comment section down below. Hit that like button. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the B&B channel. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, guys, peace out and Godspeed.